Creating your own perfect getaway doesn't require a ton of space. Small patio ideas prove just how much you can do with a tiny space. Wouldn't it be nice if you could head outside on warm summer nights and eat a delicious home-cooked meal under the stars? Or enjoy cocktails in the spring or fall when the weather is perfect, not too warm and not too cold. You can have a usable outdoor living area, even if you have a small backyard patio. The key is to have a smart patio design that enables you to utilize the space completely. Start by figuring out how you want to use the space, which can help guide you in deciding on the best outdoor patio idea for your outdoor living space. Get inspired by these ideas and start planning your backyard makeover. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Adding a cover to your little patio or small deck space will give you more usability. The right coverage can protect you during the hottest of summer days from the harsh sun and shelter you on the rainy ones. An affordable option is to place a large patio umbrella on your patio. The downside is that the umbrellas are only so big. They are also canvas, so you'll need to replace them eventually. The advantage is that they move, so you can adjust them to exactly where you need them. More permanent options include a solid extension of your existing roof, a new independent roof, shade sails, louvered, or a pergola. If you're worried about a solid roof blocking too much light, you can use clear corrugated plexiglass. This will provide protection while also allowing light through. If you use a pergola, you have the perfect opportunity for a dual-purpose covering. Instead of having a separate garden, you can grow your plants on the pergola. Vining plants will love growing on your pergola and provide you with protection from the sun. If you want a tropical vibe for your small patio, consider building a thatched roof. These structures provide shade and are incredibly sturdy. Be sure to check your local codes and regulations before you build any of these structures. You may find there are restrictions on the type and size of the patio cover you can build. There are reasons why so many people create their small patios with poured concrete. Once you pour the patio, it's durable and a safe non-slip surface. If you find the look of concrete unpleasant, you can apply several finishing treatments. You could etch into it, stamp it, or apply a faux finish. You could even tile your small patio with a natural stone tile to improve the look and maintain a non-slip walking surface. If you want something else, you can lay stone pavers to build your patio area. You can choose from flagstone, cobblestone, cut stone, or veneer stone. The one you choose will depend on your budget, your small patio size, and the look you're going for. Stone and concrete pavers typically have space between them that's filled with Irish moss or pea gravel. Flagstone will create a continuous and almost smooth surface for your patio. Traditional pavers are the most versatile when it comes to laying them in unique patterns and designs. However, they also create the most varied surface. This is something to think about if you have guests with mobility issues. You can DIY a patio space in your backyard by leveling an area and spreading pea gravel. The gravel is affordable, and you can spread it yourself. Just be sure to level the ground and remove any grass or other plants growing in the area. Add some lighting to the space by hanging string lights. You could plug them into an existing exterior plug. Then mount hooks on the exterior of your home to string the lights on. If you want the lights to extend over the entire patio space, install a wood beam on your patio's outside edge. Dig a hole a couple of feet deep and place the wood beam in it. Make sure the pole is 7 feet or taller once in the hole. Secure the pole by filling in the hole with quick curing concrete, then secure a hook on the top. You can now string your lights across your patio for a light covering. If you already have a concrete slab for your patio, you can affordably dress it up with a rug. Look for one meant for outdoor use. This will prevent it from holding water and growing mold. A color rug will give the patio a bright pop of color. You can create cheap yet comfy seating with pallets and large cushions. Stack 2 or 3 pallets and then place a large square cushion on top. Finish with oversized decorative pillows. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.